Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how we can check if our JBL Wind 3S is still charging. So according to the manual that is included in the box, we can read that there are two states for the light that is at the top in the middle of the Bluetooth speaker. And if we charge our JBL, then we can expect two states of the light. If it's just red and not blinking, then we know that the battery is charging, and if it's blinking, then it means that the battery is low and we should charge it soon. And these are only two indicators that show us the information about the battery. If we want to make sure that the battery is already full, then technically there is no way to verify that. And the only actually way to make sure that the battery is full after charging it is to leave the Bluetooth speaker charging for 2.5 or 3 hours, at least according to the manual. Once again, if we take a look at the battery charge time, then we can read that it needs 2.5 hours to fully charge. So let's say we can leave it for 3 hours to make sure that the battery is full after charging it. And this is the only way to know if the device is still charging or if the battery is full. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!